Hello and welcome back. So we are finally planting our garden. It's the season for planting. The rains are already here, and today we're going to plant the remaining part of our garden. We've already planted a part of it. You've seen that video where I was starting from seed, simply because I didn't start earlier and I didn't have seedlings. So today I actually went out and got a few seedlings which I'm going to be planting in the remaining part. Actually, this will not be the final planting video. We're going to do others, but this is the second part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you all the seedlings I got today, which I'm going to be also planting with you. So here we have curly kales. I also started seeds, but before the seeds come up, I need to have some on the ground. Then I got peppers. These are the colored bell peppers. Then I got beetroots. Next, I got chamomile. I really don't know why my chamomile always dies. After every season, it dies. I tried to start the seeds. They never come up. So, yeah, I got a new chamomile. Then I got celery. I got some celery here. Next, I got cauliflower. The last time I planted this, they did so well. And so they were just a must for me this season. I also got broccoli. These also did well the last time I did them. I got one pepper, also these are green pepper, green bell pepper, and just one plant because I have also started others. These are just to keep me going before mine come up. Then I got 2 tomatoes. I do have lots of cherry tomatoes, so I just got the other tomato. Then I got the cabbage, the usual green cabbage. I didn't find red cabbage, which I really wanted. And got the red colored bell peppers, and finally my favorite plant to grow, spinach. So let's go and plant together. So I'm just laying them out in the containers. I usually put 6 to 8 spinach in each container. Yeah, so depending on the breed, the variety of spinach you're planting, if it's giant, plant 6. If it's the usual one, plant 8. So today I got the giant ones. They are going to be very big, so I just put on 6 per every container. So usually this is how I do it. I like to lay them down first, then I'll come back with my planting tool and just plant. Then I also don't like to have like spinach following each other all over, so I like to mix because also it improves the beauty of the garden. So now I'm going to put on beetroots. So for beetroots I do 8. And these are 2, so just going to split them. Miserable as it looks, I know it's going to grow. Yeah. So these are 4, and the next are 8. Then I'll do another one of beets. So 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'll do spinach again. Spinach are usually so many because we love to eat them. So these I'm doing 3. So for spinach I'm doing 6, and then for beetroots I'm doing 4. I'm doing 8. Okay, finally my spinach is just 3 remaining. So I'm going to put them here, like that. And I'm going to grow these beetroots just next to them. They still do well even in the same container. And I have extra ones. Actually, two. Okay. Just move this. Next, I'm going to do my cabbage. Cabbages grow very big, so I just put 2 in each container. That's just enough. So I'm going to plant the whole of this first line before I move on to the other parts of the garden so that it's all consistent. Here I want to plant my broccoli and cauliflower. I realized these ones do better on the ground than on the containers. So I'm just going to do the same thing, lay them down, lay them out, and then come and plant. Okay, so now I just planted tomatoes around this cage, and I'm planting some marigolds. I like to plant them together because they are beneficial plants. They go well, really well together. So whenever I plant tomatoes, I always have to plant some marigolds just next to them. So as the garden takes shape, I'm also going to come and add other things, find out what's not doing well, we shall replace it. So it's just a journey that we've started. We keep doing this throughout the season. It's not a one-off thing that we just do once and stop. So for today, the last thing is our chamomile, and I want to plant it in this container. So probably when it's alone in an isolated container, maybe it will do better than the previous times. Shall find out. But it's never that serious. If a plant dies, you just plant another one. It's just nature. Actually, say even people die, so it's normal. Some die, some survive. It is the way nature is, so yeah. So that's it for this video. We've enjoyed planting and we hope you've also enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.